Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about cardiac conduction system. The earliest organ to form and begin function within our human is brain, stomach, lungs, heart. The answer is heart. So the heart only develops early. And why it is important to develop heart early, and what is the function of it? So that is, we need a human embryo needs. That is rapidly growing one. It needs nutrition and oxygens. So that is, and also waste will be, that is includes carbon dioxide and all. All these materials are received from mother. That is, we need some circulatory system for all these things. So the heart is developed in the early stage itself. So we know that heart is in our size of fist, and it is placed in the left side of our body. It's packed, safely packed with the breastbones. And we are going to have networks of arteries and veins. The heart it pumps the blood through the networks of arteries and veins. That is called as the cardiovascular system. So heart is having four chambers, right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. The right atrium receives blood from the veins, various veins, and it pumps into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, the blood is pumped into the lungs. The lungs will purify the blood, the impure blood. So the lungs have the oxygen. The oxygen will be transferred to the impure blood and it will become pure, and the impurity will be removed. The pure blood has to be supplied to the entire part of the body. So through the pulmonary veins from the lungs, and it will be sent to the left ventricle. The left ventricle is now it is left ventricle is having oxygen rich blood. From the left ventricle, it will be supplied to the rest of the body. And we are having various measurement techniques included with this heart. So electrocardiography, echocardiography, phonocardiography, magnetocardiography, pulse oximetry. Electrocardiography means electric fields of the cardiac signals. We will simply call this the ECG. Echo means sound, sonography of the heart sound. This is also using ultrasound. Phonocardiography, again heart sounds using acoustic microphones. And magnetocardiography, magnetic fields of the cardiac signals. ECG means electric fields. Magnetocardiography means magnetic fields. And the last one is the pulse oximetry. Very familiarly we will use during the COVID time and all. So we have to see the oxygen saturation in the fetal blood. So based on the reflected, here it is the fetal blood, we can see this, that is based on the IR lights. So this is the heart, structure of the heart. We can see here four chambers are present here, two atrium and two ventricles are present here. Here we are going to see how the potential is originated. So first we are having a SA node, sinoatrial node. This is the battery, it's a potential generator. From here only the potential will be conducted to the AV node. From the AV node it will be transferred to the ventricles through Purkinje fibers and bundle of HIS. Okay, we are having HIS bundle and the Purkinje fibers. Through this only the potential will be transferred. Because of this potential only the contraction and expansion process happens. So started from the sinoatricular node and it will travel to AV node. It will take some time, 0.4 milliseconds like that. It will take some time. Again it reaches the AV node. From AV node, these pulses will be transmitted to the entire part of the ventricles through the HIS and the Purkinje fibers. So this is what we have discussed. So SA node, AV node, bundle of HIS, Purkinje fibers. These are all very important terms. We have to know it. So in the cardiac conduction system, we have discussed about how the potential is generated in the cardiac conduction in the heart. The next video we discuss about how we are going to record it. Thank you.